What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel. Let's be real, we've all been there. You make a big, beautiful salad, but life gets in the way and you just can't finish it. Well, guess what? Your leftover salad days are officially over. Get ready to transform those sad, wilted greens into absolute culinary masterpieces. We're talking mouth-watering meals that will have you saying leftover salad? Yes, please. We're about to unlock a whole new world of flavor. So buckle up, grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. First up, we're taking those leftover salads and giving them a colorful, crunchy makeover. Grab your favorite color bell peppers, I'm going with red, yellow, and orange for extra vibrancy, and slice them in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds and membranes, we want these bad boys ready to be stuffed with deliciousness. Now mix your leftover salad with some cooked quinoa or rice for extra heartiness. We're talking a half cup per pepper should do the trick. Spoon that flavorful mixture into your pepper halves, making sure to pack it in nice and tight. Pop those babies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. Who says you can't have salad for breakfast? We're about to blow your mind with this protein-packed frittata. Heat up a drizzle of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium heat. Now here's where the magic happens. Take 2 cups of your leftover salad and toss it in the skillet, letting it sizzle for about 5 minutes until slightly wilted. Whisk together 6 large eggs with a 1/4 cup of milk, salt, and pepper. Pour that creamy goodness over your salad in the skillet. Reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then sprinkle a half cup of shredded cheese on top and pop it under the broiler for a few minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Quesadillas are a blank canvas for creativity, and your leftover salad is the paint. Grab 2 large flour tortillas and lay them flat on your work surface. Sprinkle 1 tortilla with a half cup of shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, pepper jack, whatever your heart desires. Now here's the fun part. Pile a generous cup of your leftover salad right on top of that cheesy goodness. Sprinkle with another half cup of cheese and top with the second tortilla. Time to grill. Place your quesadilla in a hot skillet over medium heat. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortillas are golden brown and crispy and the cheese is melted and gooey. Slice it up and get ready to be amazed. Chapter 4. Salad Soup. Turn leftovers into liquid gold. Don't underestimate the power of a good soup. We're about to transform those leftover salads into a comforting and flavorful bowl of goodness. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Dice 1 onion and saute it until softened, about 5 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Now pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth and bring it to a boil. Add 2 cups of your leftover salad, reduce heat, and simmer for 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. For an extra creamy texture, you can use an immersion blender to partially blend the soup, or grab a few spoonfuls and blend them separately before adding it back to the pot. Season with salt and pepper to taste and get ready to warm your soul. Chapter 5. Salad Pizza. Your taste buds will thank you. Pizza night just got a whole lot more exciting. Leftover salad on pizza? Trust me, it's a game changer. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab your favorite pre-made pizza crust. We're all about convenience here. Spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the crust. Now here's where the magic happens. Pile on those leftover salads. Arugula, spinach, mixed greens, anything goes. Sprinkle on your favorite cheese, mozzarella, provolone, feta. The possibilities are endless. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Slice, serve, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 6. Salad Stir Fry. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. Time to fire up the wok. We're turning those leftover salads into a vibrant and delicious stir fry that's ready in minutes. Heat a tablespoon of sesame oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your favorite stir-fry veggies, sliced carrots, broccoli florets, snap peas, and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until they're bright green and slightly tender. Now here's the secret weapon. Toss in 2 cups of your leftover salad and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until wilted. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Pour the sauce over the veggies and stir fry for another minute until thickened. Serve over rice or noodles for a complete meal. Chapter 7. Ready to supercharge your day? We're blending up a refreshing and healthy salad smoothie that's packed with nutrients. This is the perfect way to sneak in those leafy greens. In your blender, combine 1 cup of your leftover salad, 1 cup of frozen fruit, berries, mango, pineapple all work great, half a cup of liquid, water, coconut water, almond milk, and a tablespoon of nut butter for added creaminess. Blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a splash more liquid. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add a handful of spinach or kale for an extra boost of greens. Pour into a glass, grab a straw, and get ready to feel amazing. Who says omelets have to be boring? We're stepping up our breakfast game with this flavor-packed salad omelet. Whisk together 2 large eggs with a tablespoon of water, salt, and pepper. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet and let it cook undisturbed for about a minute. Now here's the fun part. Sprinkle a half cup of your leftover salad over half of the omelet. Carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the salad. Cook for another minute or 2 until the cheese is melted and the omelet is cooked through. Slide it onto a plate and get ready for a breakfast of champions. Wraps are a blank canvas for creativity, and leftover salad makes the perfect filling. Lay out your favorite large tortillas, flour, wheat, spinach, you name it. Spread a thin layer of hummus, cream cheese, or even guacamole for extra flavor and creaminess. Now here's the best part. Pile on that leftover salad. Don't be shy, we're talking a generous cup per wrap. For extra protein, add some grilled chicken, tofu, or chickpeas. Roll those wraps up tight, slice them in half, and you've got a delicious and satisfying meal on the go. Pasta lovers, this one's for you. We're taking those leftover salads and tossing them with pasta for a flavor-packed meal that's sure to impress. Cook your favorite pasta according to package directions. While the pasta is cooking, chop up any large pieces in your leftover salad, drain the pasta and add it back to the pot. Toss in your chopped salad, a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Stir it all together until the salad is wilted and the pasta is coated in a light and flavorful dressing. Serve warm or cold and get ready to enjoy. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible ways to transform those leftover salads from blah to boom. No more food waste, just delicious and creative meals that will have you wondering why you never thought of this before. If you try any of these recipes, be sure to tag me on social media. I'd love to see your culinary masterpieces. And remember, the possibilities are endless. Get creative, experiment with different flavors, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes.